Hi, my name is Maxwell Banbury, and today I'll be discussing the reading material and video material from week 4 about flipped classrooms. So to get into the key points, the first key point is what is a flipped classroom? A flipped classroom is where you have online recorded lectures that you view outside of class, and in class you have collaborative assignments and homework. This flips the traditional lecture homework dynamic. The next point that the material this week gets across is that this is not seen as universally positive. There are mixed sentiments and results. The results are only marginally positive in terms of academic success. And while there are some major success stories discussed in the PBS News video and in the anecdotes in the study, the success is far from universal. In the research by Wenliang He, we also see a bit of a demographic divide where female and older students tend to excel compared to their male and younger counterparts, likely because of better time management skills. The survey of the research report also revealed that there's a bit of a preference towards in-person lectures across the board, even with students who said they liked the flipped classroom model. To get into the pros and cons discussed, the pros are that there's beneficial collaboration in in-person classwork, and that students might not get when they're at home. And also there's that consuming lectures at home can be easier and less time-consuming for students than assigned homework would be. Some of the potential cons discussed are the potential and unequal and unreliable access to technology, whether it's because of economic reasons keeping students from getting access or tech malfunctions. There's also the problem of both students and staff and teachers adapting to these new technologies and teaching styles. It's just simply not for everyone. And so one of the main conclusions drawn from all of this is that there just needs to be more research and to find more conclusive results. When it comes to my reaction to all of this, I was really surprised at how long this concept of flipped classrooms has been around. The research and discussion around it spans over 10 years, and I thought something like this would have come about around the COVID era. And another thing that I can understand is the apprehension around this style of learning. In my experience, I would agree with other students that I felt I got more out of in-person lectures than recorded ones. Though I think this model has a lot of good aspects, I get why others wouldn't like it, which brings me to the conclusion that students should really have the option of having either a traditional or flipped classroom learning. As we've seen, different students have thrived in one or the other, so going forward we should design our education system to give students a choice. Anyways, thank you for watching.